Hello, today we will work with one repair case of iPhone 6 cameras not working issue. Tap camera icon and enter camera mode. Both the front and the back cameras cannot be activated. Sense circuits of the two cameras can be relevant sometimes. If one camera goes out, the other one will also not work. So we can replace with the new rear camera at the beginning. Disassemble the phone, detach battery, and then remove the display assembly. Take down the rear camera and buckle a new rear camera. Tips: do not buckle the front camera at present. Buckle the display assembly, power on and test. The rear camera still cannot be activated. We can preliminarily confirm that relevant circuit of logic board rear camera is not working normally. Remove the display assembly and disconnect the battery. Remove the newly buckled rear camera. And connect the logic board with DC power supply. Switch the multimeter to voltage mode. Press the power button to power on. Measure the voltage of pin 34 on J2321, no voltage value. However, if the logic board is in normal status and with the camera unbuckled, once the phone has been activated for 15 seconds, there should be a 2.85 volts voltage jumping of pin 34 on J2321. Continue to measure voltage of pin 24, pin 20, and pin 8 on J2321. The measured value of pin 24 is 1.8 volts, pin 20 1.2 volts, pin 8 1.8 volts, which is normal. VCC main 4.0 volts is inputted through pin A1 on U2301 and outputted as PP2V85 via pin A2 on U2301. It is then connected to pin 34 on J2321 via FL2343. Pin B1 on U2301 is the enable signal of CPU output. Remove black adhesive of capacitors around U2301. Run voltage mode measurement of C2301. The measured value is 4.3 volts, which indicates that the inputted voltage by U2301 is normal. Continue to measure the voltage of C2345. No voltage value, which indicates that there is no voltage outputted by U2301. Since pin B1 on U2301 is the enable signal of CPU output, our next move is to run measurement of pin B1 on U2301. For beta measurement, we have to detach U2301 from the board first. Stick high-temperature adhesive tape on connectors around U2301 first to prevent high-temperature damage. Heat with hot air gun at 300 degrees. Then remove black adhesive around U2301 with sculpture knife. Then heat with hot air gun at 330 degrees and detach U2301 from the board. Apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Remove tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron. Once done, clean the bonding pad with PCB cleaner. Tear off high-temperature adhesive tape on connectors before measurement. Switch to diode mode and run diode mode measurement of pin B1 on U2301. The measured value is 437, which indicates that circuit between pin B1 and CPU is in normal status. We can preliminarily confirm that U2301 is damaged, and we need to replace with the new U2301. Stick high-temperature adhesive tape on connectors around U2301 first. Apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Align a new IC to the right place. Solder with the hot air gun at 330 degrees. Wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes, then tear off the high-temperature adhesive tape. Clean again with PCB cleaner. Get the logic board assembled and connect to the logic board with DC power supply. Press the power button to power on. Then measure the voltage of pin 34 on J2321. The measured value jumps from 0 volt to 2.9 volts, then back to 0 volt, which indicates that the outputted 2.85 volts voltage of U2301 is normal. Now we can buckle the rear camera . and the display assembly. Don't forget the front camera this time. Then connect the battery, power on and test. Both front camera and rear camera can be activated. Fault cleared. Warn tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 6 camera not working issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 6 camera not working repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rivatechnology.com. See you next course.